Marcelo.
And I like the fact that you know how to speak Yoruba now.
Yeah, I mean, and like coming Yoruba.
Yeah.
Yoruba.
Learn in 24 hours. Yoruba is Dajiti Priscilla Ojo.
My fam.
You can't just feel me see.
Yoruba. Hey, they say announcement. Oh, big captain, Leo. I don't know that.
Straight. Mo fẹ́ kọ́ ni kó gbọ́ Yorùbá ni.
No, Priscilla said when Yoruba this night, she said, yes.
Mo dẹ̀ kẹ́ Festus ló gbọ́ Yorùbá jù. Festus ni. Oh yes,
Please keep it down. We're in our in-laws' house.
Excuse me.
The iconic six flag.
So there was nothing that is always.
No, honestly, everybody, let's Priscilla, what's proud?
Priscilla!
You want us, Bridgerton. Should we be Bridgerton?
Yes.
Okay, everybody, Bridgerton activated.
Let's try the plantain.
The plantain is flying well.
Can I actually concur and sound?
Yes.
Okay.
Oh my.
Shut up, Bridgerton.
Happy.
Oh no.
Oh my gosh.
Okay.
Oh my gosh.
Yes.
Oh my God. They can't see our bright face now, Auntie.
Okay.
Tomorrow, let's see our.
I don't know if I want to click glass with her. She's not one of the upper echelon Bridgerton.
Who is that? She's not giving the Auntie Shanti. No, I'm actually sweet. I'm not need that to Bridgerton. So, Emma saw, this is what I am. Milkshake Bridgerton.
Sharon, please, can you level up? We're in Tanzania. Level up, please.
I'm a real Nigerian lady.
I'm a real Nigerian.
Tell me back and you're romancing. Mama saw that. I'm also in our Bridgerton way. But don't dumb us down. See, Nanny, translate to her. She may not understand my
She gets my Yoruba.
Yes,
In the guest lesson. Master, into Shanti, no. What in the healers are?
Priscilla, you're going to deal with us for 1 week.
Hi, loves. Just like I was giving you before the expo yesterday, that there is, wedding rumors or bell going on in with Priscilla and her man. Obviously, I think that is true. But we're going to know the true when we now start seeing videos of the wedding and all of that. But this speculation, it be like seeing our original. Do you understand? She actually surprised her man also in anticipation of the Valentine that is coming, and she welcomed him home. I think the guy wasn't around when the family came, so she welcomed him home. That girl is seriously a good lover girl. If you ask me, she really doesn't joke with anything that is she's in love with. Just like the way she just treated her husband. You see the whole surprise. It's so nice. So Jux came back and then met the in-laws. Let me use the word, because obviously we are going to be in-law. So he was so happy, and he also met the surprise that the love of his life gave him. You can see how happy everybody is. See, this wedding is about to happen very, very soon. The way I'm seeing it is going to happen. Because if you listen to the previous video, you will hear when the mom was like, "You're going to tolerate us for 1 week." And she wrote something in her social media. She wrote JP 2025. So it's about to go down. So let's talk about Burna Boy. This dating rumor between him and Kolibeli, I think that thing is somehow true, if you ask me, because the girl came back again in Lagos. And the guy partied with her and some of these our musicians. Like I saw Wizkid, and named them Pokoli. They were there. And he even surprised her with a new wristwatch. And the wristwatch I had is very, very expensive, £36,000. Oh, this love, it go reach everybody finally. So people were like, are you sure it's going to last? Because that was exactly what happened during the Step London thing and all of that. So, but I'm sure that these guys know what they are doing. And did I just see Kiss? I beg, if you see, I'm commenting in the comment section because I saw it. Even Pokoli was screaming. I saw it. They will not even deceive me. I saw it. So I think something is going on. And I think the girl really likes Burna Boy because of the way she has always been clingy and touching our Burna Boy. So yeah, it's going to be a long ride in the hearts of celebrities. But I just hope it lasts because the way people were talking about Burna Boy, some were like, oh, if Steph London wants to get him back, it's not going to be very difficult for him, stuffs like that. Then some people were like, allow them enjoy themselves. So they did not tell me when Burna Boy did not tell me when he was dating Steph London. Is it this one that I will know? So it's just their life. It's not my business. My own is if I see gist, I go ring tell Una. Do you understand? So this was the gift he gave, and I heard that he has given her before. So now let's talk about Blessing CEO. Did you notice the glow, the step up, the upgrade? But it can't be like say she too shy, because she was just yeah, she's camera shy. She was just all over the whole table and all of that. But the upgrade, man, small thing I for no say that is Blessing CEO. I wouldn't say it's filtered because she's still pretty, even with the filter. Do you understand? The upgrade is massive. So are we going to be looking out for Blessing CEO and IVD? The kind of relationship we're seeing in this celebrity circle now is a lot. So be taking them one at a time. I mean, guys, what do you think? What do you think? But seriously, I just had to, appreciate her beauty in this particular video. I beg, I am not a bad belly. She looked good. And if you've watched to this point, thank you guys so much. If you're new here, please kindly click the subscribe and notification button. Let us be friends. And if you're an old subscriber, thank you so much for always stopping by. See you guys in my next video. Bye.